The boardwalk floats over water so clear you see the bottom. Rocks, fish, moving in silence. This is Plitvice Lakes in Croatia, 16 terraced lakes linked by falling water. Streams flow calmly from one to the next. Small waterfalls form between. The forest leans in, quiet and green. The sound of water is constant, never loud. It shifts as you walk, rushes, drops, silences. From above, the land steps downward like a staircase carved by time. No single fall is massive, but together they become endless. A place that moves and holds itself in balance.